The vision behind FIXAR, why we exist. We bring safety. In aerial operations, the real challenge isn't the lack of technology. It's that data collection from the sky is still costly, complex and slow. Most missions still rely on manned aircraft, which is expensive, hard to operate and anything but agile. Drones were meant to fix that, but most fall short. They are fragile, can't handle real-world conditions and depend on open systems that may fail in the end. That's why FIXAR exists. We set out to replace general aviation in aerial missions with a fully autonomous, intelligent and self-reliant UAV. FIXAR combines the endurance of fixed-wing aircraft with the benefits of vertical takeoff and landing. This is the best of two worlds. It flies autonomously, it makes real-time decisions on board, and it does it all in the harshest conditions: mountains, wind, cold, even GNSS-denied zones and environments. We don't use magnetometers. We don't rely on open-source autopilots. Everything is proprietary and built to the mission. And we made it simple. It's only 3 days of training, minimal setup, and instant deployment. In a world where both aviation and UAVs have limits, FIXAR is something entirely new, built to replace manned aircraft with more flexibility, more safety and far more efficiency. This is why we are here. This is FIXAR.